In 2021, our Fueling Good Rebuilding Lives program completed its 3-year community relief efforts, launched in the wake of Hurricane Harvey.
In December of 2017, shortly after Hurricane Harvey, we finalized an amazing gift from Citgo that is the largest grant our organization has ever received, and we've been around for almost 40 years. We especially love that Citgo wanted to work in the Independence Heights neighborhood because of the singularity of the neighborhood, being the first place in Texas where Black people could own property. The history of this neighborhood is so rich. The houses here have been passed down through generations, and so we especially have enjoyed working in this neighborhood, and we'd worked in this neighborhood honestly for years, helping homeowners in need. Through the entire repair process from Hurricane Harvey, we are close to 500 houses. On the Citgo grant in particular, we are at 189 estimated right now by the time we finish.
It provides immediate and long-term recovery assistance throughout Texas in partnership with Rebuilding Together Houston. Nearly 190 homes were repaired and painted to become safe and livable in the Independence Heights and surrounding communities in Houston.
By having a corporate sponsor step in like Citgo, this has changed the game because the amount of money that Citgo has contributed to our community has really allowed people who probably would have sold or left the community to stay in their homes.
But I want to thank Citgo because not just for today, but even before Hurricane Harvey, Citgo was on the front line in the city of Houston. They've been an incredible partner.
I don't think Citgo could have selected a better place of neighbors embracing neighbors. Citgo has been here for a long time. I have seen them. And we will need corporations like Citgo continuing to give and rebuild for a long time.
Citgo is proud to have built strength and resilience where it matters most, our local communities.
I just want to thank Citgo for everything.
Thank you again, Rebuilding Together Houston, especially Citgo.
I want to thank Citgo for helping me put my house back together.
I like to personally thank the Citgo Corporation for renovating my home.
The house looked marvelous. I just want to thank you, thank you, thank you.
Citgo, fueling good.